Miranda and I were just laughing about something I said earlier. But why do you keep laughing if you don't remember?
Because I just remember the moment where you said it differently, and I was driving, but like I just remember you said it differently, and I just couldn't stop laughing because it was just
Well,
funny.
you weren't expecting it, but I don't remember. I'm trying to remember what I did. But I was just thinking about that because I was laying here thinking, like, the pain, like the migraine's coming on stronger, but now my medicine's coming on stronger too. So, but earlier today, the pain was coming on. And I was like, man, it's hard to concentrate when you have this kind of migraine going on. And I was thinking about that about that time I said that. Why do you keep laughing if you don't remember?
Because I keep on remembering the Woody Woodpecker. I'm like, that's not the one.
It's not the Woody Woodpecker, no.
No, but you started to do it, and then you switched to something else, and that's not how it goes.
I don't know. Maybe I combined sounds. Oh, this is why I was thinking about
Combined.
I was thinking about it because the pain was earlier this morning. The pain wasn't too bad. The pain was like, it was like distracting, but it wasn't like the most annoying sound in the world, which is, what did I do?
You did a donkey sound. Hee-haw.
How many?
No, it was off of Dumb and Dumber. You remember that?
Oh, yeah, it's off of Dumb and Dumber, but I couldn't remember like the most annoying sound in the world.
And it goes, hey. And that's what you did.
Maybe that's what I did.
That's what you did.
Anyway, the pain was really was kind of bad. Like it's there, it hurts, you know. But it wasn't like the most annoying sound in the world. That's funny.
I think it was because
it wasn't distracting me like that bad.
Yeah,
but
you didn't want to do it.
But now it's starting to distract me that bad. The pain comes on stronger in the afternoon. I guess we just had lunch and stuff. So yeah, I need a little bit of medicine. But yeah, I was just remembering. What you were laughing about that time. All right, that's all. Just a little chime in to have some fun because yeah, it's not always fun. But oh well.